This is your real life look at the Pixel 9 Pro 6.1-inch variant, and this flat front and rear. We have a brand new camera module sorta similar to the Pixel Fold, and this device contains triple cameras including a main super wide and a periscope shooter. The side frame is thin and flat with micro curve edge, which I like a lot. Then there's Type-C port, SIM card tray and speakers to the bottom. On top there's antenna. This Pixel 9 Pro got 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, there's Tensor G4 processor and 128 gigs of UFS storage. So they are still stuck at 128, you guys better choose 256. The Pixel 9 with Tensor G4 just got listed on Geekbench, and shockingly it is based on Exynos 2400. Got 1x Cortex-X4, 3 Cortex-A720 and 4 Cortex-A520. The best part is Tensor G4 is gonna use all new FOWLP fan out wafer level packaging, which is gonna help in better cooling and better heat dissipation. So I'm saying this again, the Tensor G4 is gonna be a huge jump both in terms of power and power efficiency. Some news coming in, the Pixel 9 series will feature lots of AI enhancement and adaptive touch settings, which will give you option to adjust the touch sensitivity based on various factors such as environmental condition like rain or the presence of screen protector. So that is something nice. In terms of the design, just like the Pixel 8 Pro, Google is going all flat from the front with no toothless side, top and chin bezel. That is something on par with the iPhone and Samsung S24. We still have a small center hole punch selfie shooter, but the shocking change is frame is now all flat similar to the iPhone. There's gonna be high resolution, 120Hz high refresh rate and all the top-notch hardware specifications. The Pixel 8 series just won the Best Smartphone Award at MWC, and I'm sure the Pixel 9 Pro with Tensor G4 is gonna give a tough fight to Samsung and Apple, and won't be a shocker if they win such kind of award again. So it looks like an amazing device. It's gonna cost $1,000 I guess, but we are months away from the official launch, so make sure to follow for all the leaks and news. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.